Now I am going to solve another problem with LeetCode. Okay, so if you like my video, please do share, like, and comment, and please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, so here I'm going to share my screen with you. Okay, so this is the problem. Valid parenthesis. Okay, so we need to check that the parenthesis is valid or not. Okay, so problem number is 20. You can search here LeetCode 20. So here you can see given a string as contain just the character. Okay, open bracket, close bracket. Okay, so these are the bracket. Determine if the input string is valid. Okay, so an input string is valid if open bracket must be closed by the same type of the bracket. Open bracket must be closed in the correct order, and every closed bracket has a corresponding open bracket of the same type. Okay, so here you can see example. Here we have s equals to this bracket. Okay, this is true because open bracket and they have I mean it has open bracket and close bracket. Okay, again you can check here, this is also true in example 2 because they have closing and opening both bracket. Okay, so here you can see example 3. Okay, so we don't have any like close opening square bracket. Okay, and close parenthesis round bracket. Okay, so this is false. In example 4 you can see here this is true because we have uh, closing and opening bracket for both square and round bracket. Okay, so here you can see this is false because here you can see we mismatch the bracket. Okay, okay, so this is our code. First of all you need to create like initial as equals to this bracket. Okay, close like a square. This is a curly braces or what is it. Okay, so these are the bracket is inside this we have a square bracket. Okay, so now I need to check a square bracket in s. Okay, yes, it is present here in s. Okay, then it will give you true. X equals to this things. Okay, bracket inside we have a square bracket. Okay, dot replace. Okay, so here I'm going to replace this s. Okay, so here with the space, and here we got this. Okay, this bracket. Okay, for bracket inside the bracket dot replace, I'm going to replace this bracket from as. Okay, so here I got this I left this bracket in as. Okay, so here I in step 2 I got this bracket in as. Okay, and this is true. Here I left only as equals to this bracket. Okay, so now I'm going to replace this bracket is replaced here like this and got empty string. Okay, so here like if it is string equals to uh, nothing, and like if a string is equals to empty, then it will give you true. Okay, so here you can see we have a function and class. This is the class and this is the function is valid. Okay, and this function is used for like testing like it is valid or not. Okay, so here I'm going to pass this string. String should be this one. Okay, I'm going to keep here bracket name. Okay, so here this is the like we want output in bool. Okay, like bool like true and false. Okay, so that's why I need to write here bool. Okay, and string should be in str in bracket. Okay, so s equals to string and s equals to we took this thing. Okay, now I am going to replace s equals to s dot replace. Okay, so these are the bracket, round bracket, comma. Okay, dot replace curly braces. Okay, dot replace square bracket. Okay, and return s equals to empty. Here you can see here in this string s we have square bracket first. Okay, so we need to remove square bracket from here. Okay, this thing. After removing this, here you can see replace square bracket. Okay, after removing this square bracket I got this bracket. Okay, as equals to what is this, parenthesis or maybe. Okay, so here after now I'm going to check again. Okay, so this is the like s equals to parenthesis. Okay, so here I'm going to remove again this bracket. Okay, from a string, and now I got a result as equals to empty string. Agar if string is empty, okay, then it return true, otherwise it will return false. Okay, so here this is the object of solution class, and here I'm going to print solution dot invalid. Here I'm going to pass different bracket, so you need to check with first one. Okay, here, array, what is the problem? Okay, so it will give you true and false. Okay, okay, for this it will give you true, and again for this it will give you true. Okay, so these are proper, I mean these bracket are proper, has closing and opening brackets. Okay, and these are like here we missed a square bracket. Okay, and one is round bracket. Okay, so this will give you false. Okay, again you can check, this is the invalid. Okay, again you can check in here. Okay, so they also not have a like here you can see here we missed the open bracket. Okay, so this is also false, but here you can check they all have closing and opening bracket. Okay, so that's why it is true.